Hey guys, this is a Videoscope and it is used to check those unseen parts of engine, fuel tank and braking system, and this is optional. Tour 601 equipped with a Videoscope model, so you can use it to check the car. You only need to connect the USB to Tour 601 and chop the Videoscope into the function. You can see when using the Videoscope, this button allows you to take pictures, and long press these buttons, you can switch the cameras. You can see when the camera can see well, this dial allows you to adjust the light brightness. As you can see. So this is how to use the Videoscope on Tour 601 TT. Thank you.